Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So children, have you all completed your formulas that I gave you to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody? किसी को कोई दिक्कत हुआ? Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So one by one you all tell the answer and I will write the correct answer on the blackboard. If it will be wrong. Ashish,
Yes, ma'am.
आप बोलो.
Ma'am, first zinc phosphate. Ma'am, zinc
क्या
phosphate.
question था?
Ma'am, zinc phosphate.
Zinc phosphate.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, zinc Zn2 plus and phosphate PO4 3 minus. And ma'am, letter crisscross and I written. Ma'am,
करेक्ट लिखा है. जिंक का वैलेंसी 2 है एंड फॉस्फेट 3.
3 minus.
सिंबल सबका सिंबल लिखो.
Ma'am, Zn2 plus and PO4 3 minus.
ओके करेक्ट.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, crisscross. PO4 2. PO4 2. Ma'am, bracket. Ma'am, bracket.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2.
तो फॉर्मूला will be Zn3PO4. ये आप लोग देख लिए.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर
Yes,
चेक कर
ma'am.
लिए.
No, ma'am. Answer
Yes,
same, ma'am.
आंसर जो आप लोग बनाए हो ये होना चाहिए.
Ma'am, answer same.
तो उसको देखो. Now next question. What is the next question?
Ma'am, copper chloride.
Chloride. Copper chloride. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Copper Cu.
And Cu2 plus.
Copper valency 2.
And 2 plus.
2 plus.
And plus and chloride minus.
Chloride Cl minus.
Crisscross. What is that?
Ma'am, Cu, Cl2.
UCl2.
PuC.
Ma'am, Cu1Cl2. 2.
Ma'am, 2.
फॉर्मूला ये
CuCl2.
फॉर्मूला हो. Then next question.
Ma'am, ammonium carbonate.
Ammonium carbonate.
Ammonium
Ma'am,
carbonate.
Bracket PO3 bracket 4.
अमोनियम क्या है? अमोनियम के साथ क्या
Ma'am,
reaction है?
carbonate.
Ma'am, NH4 plus.
Ammonium NH+4.
ठीक है.
Carbonate
तो
PO3.
अमोनियम का लिखिए.
Ma'am, NH4 plus.
NH4
plus.
NH4 plus.
Ma'am, and
Yes.
carbonate
Ma'am, carbonate का CO3 2 minus.
CO3 2 minus.
यही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अमोनिया एक न्यूक्लियर वैल्यू पहले से है, इसके सिंबल में और कार्बोनेट में. तो देखो इसमें थोड़ा सा काम करना है. ये 2 है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, NH4 bracket 2, CO3 bracket 1.
क्योंकि यहाँ 1 है. Only 1 is here, so कार्बोनेट will be written as 2. ब्रैकेट कहाँ देना है ये समझिए आपको. ब्रैकेट will be given on the न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू जिसमें पहले से न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है और आप उसका वैलेंसी 1 से ज्यादा ला रहे हैं, वहां पर ब्रैकेट देना. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Yes, ma'am.
And Ca2 plus.
Ca2 plus and hydroxide OH
OH
minus.
minus.
Hydroxide OH minus.
CaOH2.
OH2.
CaOH2.
ठीक है, क्योंकि
Yes.
दो और H, दो कंपोनेंट, दोनों का कंपोनेंट साधारण लाना है, इसलिए इसको हम ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम ये वाला फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए ना. मैम ब्रैकेट में क्यों रखेंगे, ये समझ में नहीं आया.
देखो यहाँ पर दो कंपोनेंट है ना, O और H दोनों है, तो अगर यहाँ पर बिना ब्रैकेट के अगर क्यों लिखाएगा तो हाइड्रोजन के लिखो, लेकिन हमको दोनों कंपोनेंट पर को नंबर देना है, इसलिए इसको ब्रैकेट पर.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
Ma'am, next is
Yes,
iron
ma'am.
oxide.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, iron oxide.
Iron oxide. Fe2 plus and O2 minus.
Ma'am, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल लिसन. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन आपको क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं?
Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तब अब आपको आयरन ऑक्साइड बोल.
Ma'am, Fe2 plus O2 minus.
Ma'am, Fe2 plus O2
Ma'am,
minus.
Fe2 positive and O2 negative.
Ma'am, Fe2 plus O2 minus.
Fe पर वैलेंसी
Fe2 plus. 2
Ma'am,
plus.
Fe2 plus and O2 minus.
O2 minus.
Ma'am, 2
O2
minus.
what will be the formula?
Ma'am,
ब्रैकेट में होगा.
होगा ना?
यस मैम.
Ma'am, O2
Ma'am,
minus.
O2 minus है.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
O2 minus.
O2 minus है.
O2 नहीं होगा.
2 minus.
Yes, ma'am.
FeO होगा.
because
Ma'am, CO.
Similar.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
FeO.
ions,
FeO.
ma'am, ions are
मैम आयंस आर सिमिलर मैम, इसलिए वो दोनों
Ma'am, they
कैंसिल हो
will
जाएंगे.
get cancelled.
Their charges are similar, then we
दोनों सेम है इसलिए कट जाएगा वो दोनों. ions are similar.
और कोई है?
Yes, ma'am. Magnesium
yes
phosphate.
मैम मैग्नीशियम फॉस्फेट.
मैग्नीशियम फॉस्फेट.
मैम Mg2 plus.
Ma'am, Mg2 plus PO4
Mg2 plus PO4 3 minus.
PO4.
minus.
PO4 3 minus.
3 minus.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am Mg3 bracket
Ma'am,
PO4
in bracket PO4 2.
bracket PO4 2.
Bracket 2.
ब्रैकेट
Ma'am,
2
Mg2
डालते हैं, ये समझ में आ गया ना? जब
Yes,
दो
ma'am.
component होगा with numerical value और without numerical value, दोनों में
Ma'am.
वो आयन ट्रांसफर होगा, इसलिए हम उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Mg3.
Yes.
और कोई क्वेश्चन है?
Yes
Yes.
ma'am sodium nitrate.
Sodium nitrate. Ma'am, Na plus Na.
Ma'am Na plus 1 Na3 minus 1. Ma'am Na plus 1 NO3 minus 1.
कितना दर्द देता होगा.
Ma'am, Na NO3.
Ma'am Na bracket NO3.
एक पॉजिटिव है और एक
मैम आयंस आर सिमिलर, इसलिए वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ब्रैकेट NO3.
Na
फॉर्मूला में NO3.
bracket
क्वेश्चन.
No,
नो
ma'am.
मैम.
हाँ बोलिए, क्या पूछना है? Who was
ब्रैकेट
asking?
लगेगा. मैम
हाँ?
इसमें ब्रैकेट नहीं लगेगा. मैम इस वाले क्वेश्चन में सोडियम नाइट्रेट में
ब्रैकेट
ब्रैकेट
लगेगा, इसमें तो मेरा बैलेंस ही स्टेबलाइज हो गया ना. 1 तो ये इक्वल हो गया. अब ब्रैकेट लिखने की क्या जरूरत है? क्रिस क्रॉस भी करेंगे तो सेम नंबर आ जाएगा. कोई बैलेंस ही क्रिस क्रॉस नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वो वही स्टेबलाइज हो गया. एक 1 पॉजिटिव एंड 1 नेगेटिव. क्लियर?
यस मैम.
Yes ma'am.
Tomorrow you will have your online test, Sunday online test. So let us revise that chapter, live chapter. थोड़ा पहले पढ़े हो ना आप लोग, तो उसको एक बार रिवीजन कर लेते हैं.
यस मैम.
Come to live chapter. Now children, first of all, the common questions that are asked in this chapter, we will do that. What is the difference between a real image and a virtual image?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
answer?
Who will?
Can I ask this?
Ma'am can I Ridhima?
Ask
Ma'am
this?
can I Ridhima?
Ma'am, can I Ankuranand?
Ask this?
Ma'am
Ma'am,
can I
can I-
Ridhima?
बोलिए, उसके बाद आपको
Yes ma'am. Ma'am a virtual image is an image that appears to be formed through an apparent intersection of the reflected ray there is no actual intersection of the reflected ray. On the other hand, an image that is formed through an actual intersection of the reflected ray, we call such image as a real image.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now can I, Ankuranand?
Yes, Ankur, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. Real image. An image that is formed through an actual intersection of the reflected rays is called real image. Virtual image, a image that appears to be formed through an apparent intersection is called an virtual image. Example of virtual image is image formed by a convex mirror. An example of real image is image formed by a concave mirror.
Ma'am, now can I ask this?
Now can I start?
Ashish, yes, tell Ashish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a virtual image. Ma'am, a virtual image is an image that appeared that is formed to be a through an apart infraction of a reflected ray. There is no actual infraction of reflected rays. Example, a mirror formed by plane mirror. And real image. Real image is an image that formed through an actual intersection of reflected ray. For example, image formed by concave mirror.
Now
Yes.
can I, Sakshi?
Sakshi, बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Real image is formed by the actual intersection of light rays. It can be obtained on screen. It always formed in the front of mirror. It is inverted with respect to the object. Virtual image, it is formed by apparent intersection of light rays. It cannot be obtained on a screen. It always formed on the behind of mirror. It always erect with a respect to the object.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. When we write example in the real image, what happens in we write concave mirror, and in one case when the object is between the focus and the pole of mirror, virtual image gets formed. Ma'am, can we write in example the image formed by a concave mirror when the object is at the focus of the mirror? Ma'am, because that will create a confusion.
हाँ, listen, children. जो confusing तो देखो किसी में exceptions होता है. Like in case of this your concave mirror, तो क्या होता है, हमेशा आपको रियल इमेज बन रहा है, लेकिन उसमें एक ऑप्शन है जिसमें आपको वर्चुअल इमेज बन रहा है. तो डोंट गिव दैट टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम. ठीक है. लेकिन कन्वेक्स में हमेशा आपको वर्चुअल इमेज बन रहा है. तो यू कैन गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट. उसका एग्जांपल दे सकते हो, लेकिन इसमें एक्सेप्शन है. वी कैन नॉट से दैट ऑलवेज द इमेज इज रियल, है ना.
Ma'am, that only I'm saying that can we write when the object is at the focus of the mirror, then an real image is formed.
When the object is between the focus and the pole.
No, ma'am, at the focus of the
What
mirror.
are you talking about? Real या virtual?
Ma'am, real image.
तो रियल तो सब में बन ही रहा है. कॉनकेव में सब पोजीशन में रियल बन रहा है, एक ही पोजीशन में आपको वर्चुअल बन रहा है. ठीक है. तो आप वर्चुअल के एग्जांपल में कन्वेक्स के बारे में लिखोगे और इमेजेस फॉर्म्ड या एक्सेप्शन दे दो. अगर मान लो आप रियल में ये एग्जांपल दे रहे हो तो आप लिखो कि एक्सेप्ट व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट द बिटवीन द फोकस एंड. ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट.
मैम हम बोले मैम वर्चुअल इमेज रियल इमेज.
Pardon?
मैम हम बोले रियल इमेज वर्चुअल इमेज.
I'm not getting your question.
मैम हम रियल इमेज वर्चुअल इमेज मैम बोले.
You want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बोलो. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. मैम बोलते हैं मैम.
Anjani, you wanted to speak.
Yes,
Anjani,
ma'am. Yes,
हाँ तो
ma'am.
बोलो. बोलिए.
मैम रियल इमेज के मैम बारे में बोल रहे हैं मैम.
क्या? हाँ बोलो. बोलिए ना क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप.
Ma'am, may I say Mahi?
Wait. What you wanted to say, I just want to know. Okay, Mahi, you speak. Bolo. He's keeping silent.
Real image. It is formed by actual interaction of light ray. Virtual image. It is formed by apparent interaction of light ray. Real image. It can be obtained on a screen. Virtual image. It cannot be obtained on a screen. Real image. It is inverted. Virtual image. It is always erect. Ma'am, हो गया.
ठीक है, correct. उत्कर्ष.
Yes, ma'am.
Utkarsh, you tell this question. Answer to this question. How does changing the distance of the object from a convex mirror affect the size and nature of the image formed by it?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Question is, how does changing the distance of the object from a convex mirror affect the size and nature of the image formed by it?
Ma'am, I don't know. May I say
Why
something?
don't we know?
Ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
now
may
can I ask?
Sakshi?
Ma'am,
Can I
Ashish.
Sakshi?
Ma'am, Ashish.
Ashish, bolo.
Ma'am, it will not show. Ma'am, it will not show any change in the size and the nature of the object formatly.
Yes, because convex mirror always forms the same nature of image. ठीक है?
Ma'am, virtually rectangles.
Then state the laws of reflection.
Ma'am, can I, Ankur Anand?
अंकुर बोलिए.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
State the laws of reflection.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first law is the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law is the incident ray and the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is equal to each other.
Ma'am, now can I
Yes,
ask it? Ma'am, now can I ask this?
Ma'am, now can I answer, ma'am, Ridhima? Now can I understand?
Ma'am, now can I ask it?
Okay, ma'am. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Second point, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is equal to each other.
Ma'am, now can I ask this?
आशीष बोलिए.
Ma'am, ma'am, the incident ray and the normal point of the incidence and reflected ray are all lie in same plane. And second law, the angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal to each other.
Now, ma'am,
Yes,
can
correct.
I Sakshi?
साक्षी बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Two laws are following. The incident ray, the normal at a point of incidence, and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal to each other.
Yes, correct. और किसी को बोलना है ये आंसर?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I
Ridhima?
बोलिए.
Mahi.
Ma'am, can I Ridhima?
हाँ बोलो रिधिमा.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, laws of reflection are: first law, the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. and the second law, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. I'm rising up here.
Ma'am,
is
ma'am,
equal to
हाँ.
angle of reflection.
Ma'am,
Abhigya, bolo.
Yes, ma'am. The two laws of reflections are first, the incident ray, the normal at the same point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lies in the same plane. Second law, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal to each other.
Shali,
Ma'am, can I answer? Yes, ma'am.
Shali Tiwari,
First law, the incident ray. Ma'am, first law, the
definition of center of curvature.
Ma'am, can I?
Center of curvature.
center of curvature.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now can I ask? Ma'am, ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
can I
You
the
get the
center
chance,
of,
you wait. Shali is answering. हाँ बोलिए.
yes, ma'am. And the center of the sphere of which the given spherical mirror is a part is called center of curvature.
Yes. Then who will say?
Ma'am, Sakshi.
Ma'am, now can I ask? Ma'am,
Sakshi.
ma'am, can I, Ridhima?
Yes, ma'am. And
Ma'am, can I answer?
ma'am, center of curvature. It is the center of sphere of which the spherical mirror is part.
Ma'am, ask this. Now can I ask this?
Ma'am, can I answer, Anand?
Aman.
Can I, ma'am?
Aman,
Now can I ask?
Ma'am, may I? Mahi.
principal axis. What is principal axis?
Ma'am, the line joining the pole and the center of the curvature of the spherical mirror.
ठीक है. Mahi. Tell principal axis.
Principal axis
Ma'am,
is
can I
the line. Principal axis is the line joining the pole of mirror and its center of curvature.
ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Focus. Who
can I
will say?
answer, Anand?
Ankur.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
can I, Ridhima?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I answer, Anand?
Ankur, you will say. Ankur.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankur,
Ma'am, the line joining the pole and the center of the curvature of the spherical mirror is known as the principal axis.
I'm asking focus. Focus bolo.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, the point on the principal axis where all the rays are incident and parallel to the principal axis actually meet or appear after the reflection of the given spherical mirror.
Now can I ask it? Ma'am, ask this. Now can I? Ma'am, now can I ask this?
Ashish, बोलिए. Focus.
Yes, ma'am, focus. Ma'am, the point on the principal axis where all the ray incident parallel to the principal axis actually meet or appear to the meet after their reflection by the given spherical mirror.
ठीक है.
Ma'am,
अभिज्ञा.
Yes,
अभिज्ञा.
yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Pole.
Ma'am, what?
Pole of the mirror.
Ma'am, this is the midpoint of the center point of the section or part of the spheres used for making the given spherical mirror.
Okay, ठीक है. Now, Ridhima Raj, which type of mirror is used in following cases? Makeup mirror,
Ma'am, can you repeat your question?
which type of mirror is used in these cases? Makeup mirror.
Ma'am, plain mirror.
कौन सा mirror इसमें use होता है? Makeup में.
Ma'am, plain mirror. Plain mirror.
Yes, correct. Then rear view mirror in vehicles.
Ma'am, convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Reflecting type telescope.
Ma'am, convex mirror.
ठीक है. Shaving mirror.
Ma'am, plain mirror.
Yes, correct. ठीक है. Then next is, where should we keep an object in front of a concave mirror so as to get a virtual and magnified image of it?
Ma'am, now can I ask this?
आशीष हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, Mahi.
Ma'am, focus and pole of the mirror.
Between the focus and pole of the mirror.
Ma'am, can I Ankuranand?
Ma'am, may I Mahi?
आपको राइटर बोलिए. दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछिए.
Ma'am, we should keep the object between the focus and the pole of mirror. In this case, we get a virtual, erect and enlarged image that appears to be formed behind the mirror.
हाँ ठीक है. Then next question. Next question is, the magnified image of an object appears to be formed by an apparent intersection of reflected rays. It is on the same side of the object. What can you say about the nature of the image? Nature of the image कैसा होगा अगर same side of the object बनेगा तो?
Ma'am, virtual, erect and
Ma'am, virtual, erect and diminished image are formed.
Virtual erect and diminished.
Ma'am, virtual erect and diminished.
Virtual erect and diminished.
So these questions are your questions which you will write. मतलब written वाला है. सब तो diagram वाला question है और others. So you just go through. ज्यादा डायग्राम अभी इस वाले टेस्ट में नहीं आ सकता है, तो आप ये सब क्वेश्चन ये प्रिपेयर करिएगा. एक और है, स्टेट द टाइप ऑफ मिरर दैट द फॉलोइंग आइटम्स और ऑब्जेक्ट वुड कॉरेस्पॉन्ड टू. इनसाइड ऑफ ए स्टेनलेस स्टील बॉल.
Ma'am, concave mirror.
अनुष्का, रिफ्लेक्टर ऑफ अ टॉर्च.
Concave mirror. Concave mirror.
Ashish, a polished shining wooden surface.
Ma'am, plain mirror.
Plain mirror. The shining outer surface of a bicycle belt.
Ma'am, convex mirror.
convex mirror.
Ma'am, convex mirror.
Okay.
Convex mirror.
हाँ ठीक है. Now उसके बाद आप एक ये क्वेश्चन भी प्रिपेयर करोगे. State the 3 laws of reflection by a spherical mirror. 3 laws क्या क्या है ये बोलिए आप लोग. अंकुर आनंद, you tell. What are the 3 laws of? हाँ. What are the 3 laws of reflection by a spherical mirror?
Yes, ma'am. A ray parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus of the mirror. The second law is a ray directed towards the center of curvature will retraces its path after the reflection. And the third law is a ray directed towards the focus of a spherical mirror becomes parallel to the principal axis.
Ma'am, now can I?
Reflection.
Ma'am, now can I?
Now can I, Ridhima?
Ma'am, can I ask this? Ma'am, ask this.
Ridhima बोलो, Ridhima tell.
Ma'am, laws of reflection of a spherical mirror are: first law, a ray parallel to the principal axis passes to the focus of the mirror after the reflection. Second law, a ray directed towards the focus of a spherical mirror becomes parallel to principal axis after reflection. And third law, a ray directed towards the center of curvature of a spherical mirror retraces its path after the reflection.
Ma'am, now can I ask?
Ashish.
Now can I, Sakshi?
Ma'am, first law, ma'am, a ray parallel to the principal axis and passes through focus. And second law, a ray parallel to the focus and passes through the principal axis. And third law, a ray passes through the center of curvature and retrace it.
Yes.
Retrace its
Now
path.
can I, Sakshi?
Now
Can I, Anushka? Ma'am, Anushka.
Ma'am, can I Abhigya?
Wait, Abhigya. Saksham.
Okay.
Are you there? Saksham. Okay, Sakshi bolo.
Yes, ma'am. two laws of reflection are